Hello, this is Bei with cheaplandfarm.com. The purpose of this video is to give you some idea how to using GPS coordinates to find your property. A lot of times the challenge is most of the vacant land we're selling doesn't have a physical address because the county will not assign any physical address until you build a house on it. That's the main reason. Out of our control. So we try our best. The first thing you can do on our website, basically just go to the property page and we already have a map for you. You can search, but the other way you can do is just copy any pair of the GPS coordinates. It can be the center of the property or the northwest corner of the property, whichever corner you want to pick, just pick the pair. So the first pair, I believe, is latitude, and then the second pair is this one. The second number is the longitude. So you copy that. After you copy, Control C, and then you can go to a new tab. Just go to the search bar here, and then you hit Control V, which is paste, okay? And you hit Enter. So here is the Google. Google's very smart. It recognized as a map here. And then for direction, what you can do, just hit step 2, hit map here, and then you just hit direction. For this one, let's try Colorado Springs here. And then look, so here comes the map. It's just that simple, just that easy. It's not hard. I hope this helps. Thank you.